choose barkura na inje to sinarangi barkura ano barko koso sai ngaki as much as penia ko tebeti bo no we aso ko gate ni mo penia poroje simbo ba tebeti sai na sai dia tebene mbo ba tebeti pen na ne mbo be mo giti abantu agaji ko correct agaji ko ser ayi sinda that problem ande yuwa nta yede chosu gende ndele ko de abantu wetu batagrete na mwana mendo chosu ne bana sin because e wonta gete ko chimotu e wonta gete ko sabanga ko chimotua na tebo mo kutana on 16 all leaders were included
oyo bata bokari nyantro
oyo kari nyantro all leaders are one elected especially the elected ones batoko number 2 ogatutua emission etu abekiro munyari bari am where are we heading to we starting from the county na bono yone na to metecho I think you are abantu baiguri uri asairi bone sairi na bada makosa which I can't object but project iwe aso kabare konyora sairi bamo butavia makosa no mukutano a consultative meeting because no munyari bari we like it or not nero mo MP to no munyari bari no nywe na to chanko mo exonerate na nini nero mo MP to na no munyari bari I think that na penera te ngaki abara iba kusikwa tago te yumonto na monto mo mo kerio mo yata karigere monto robis na bo mo MC 2 times ekero 2017 babo siro yorenge mass of ceremony ba jete gomping baga the current MCA group world bambing I never left the seat I worked tooth and nail to retain my seat no you want mamoro ko mo ngaki labono into to I to akuru siro to munyari bari but na we work tooth and nail to make sure that he has retained this seat ekina kina kwa ngaki ko munyari bari amo tigatura tikekyo turagenda amo egera ereswe ajiko ereswe wari ngaki kalcho mukusiyerega ege nayo mo MP to nale kolegasi kyo mwario como gutano gocha atabira abantu bose bakora but we must have a mission na bono chosu ndageta buno ko mwari bahangirane oyo minto bebo ekerto kurigeri structures and out of presidency como ndo wate kiroga kenene bono korunyari ba ericho bebo edabit gaba igo onyere na richi kurire omonto wende ko bade on the read na rije ka to wade cabinet secretary macho tangana rorenge on the read okuri dia banyari ba bono ericho bebo na tumete shilingi 100 as a meeting yoro chire igo is in solidarity ngo abanyari bari bakorete baramu madinga itogoche wakatutware emission ya stogoche twabikira abanyari bamo onye ne county what we want is this I think that on a national level oyo ne to ko national level ajiko to bol 90 estogoche lakini nende na totale ka national level wekare turarwa abanyari bari nabagusiba bamo 90 ekirugito n'abanyari bari wegetoke ase hapa yaba gusi one kero richo bebarari are David gavana yabo ya Simba which means onye richo bebo toko bwatia igo richo beba sago toira na Simba onde nara munyari bari nende urabumbwe usud urabe nere to sukia bapingana na Simba na last time macho wale to certain things we need to look at
we que vamos que saber a poco